Hidden away in the Sperrin Mountains of County Tyrone lies one of Ireland's greatest prehistoric mysteries, the Beaghmore Stone Circles. More than 4,000 years ago, during the Bronze Age, people carried and carefully placed over 1,200 stones across this hillside. Without modern machinery, every stone was moved by hand, using nothing more than human strength, ropes, wooden rollers, and determination. Imagine the effort it would have taken to build a monument like this thousands of years before roads engines or metal cranes existed. But why did they do it? The truth is, nobody knows for certain. Many archaeologists believe Beaghmore was far more than a collection of stones. They believe it was a sacred place where people gathered for ceremonies, honored their ancestors, and looked to the skies for guidance. The builders carefully positioned many of the stones to align with the movements of the sun, and perhaps even more remarkably, the moon. The moon follows a rare cycle that repeats roughly every 18.6 years. Some researchers believe these stones were placed to mark those events. If that theory is correct, it would mean these ancient people had an extraordinary understanding of the heavens. They would have watched the skies over many generations, carefully recording patterns and passing their knowledge from parent to child. To them, the stars were far more than distant lights in the night sky. They were a calendar that marked the passing of time, a compass that guided their journey, and perhaps even a bridge between the living, the dead, and the gods they worshipped. Some experts believe these circles marked important times of the year, such as the changing seasons, planting crops and harvests. Others believe they were places where communities gathered to celebrate, mourn, and honor those who came before them. Every stone appears to have been placed with purpose, creating a landscape that may have reflected the movements of the heavens above. Even after more than 4,000 years, that mystery still remains. As the centuries passed, the climate changed, forests slowly disappeared, and peat bogs spread across the land. Eventually, the people left this sacred place behind. Yet the stones remained standing silently through every sunrise, every full moon, every storm, and every generation that followed. Today, Beaghmore continues to guard its secrets. Despite decades of archaeological research, nobody can say with complete certainty exactly why these remarkable stones were placed here. Perhaps that is what makes this place so extraordinary. Long before history was written, people stood here beneath the very same sky, looking up at the same sun, moon, and stars that we see today, searching for answers, searching for meaning, and perhaps leaving behind a mystery that will never truly be solved. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into Ireland's ancient past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as we continue exploring the incredible history hidden across Northern Ireland.